Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to present our data using a pie chart. And pie charts are used to present categorical variables. Examples of categorical variables can be gender, where we have female or male, can be education level, where we have primary, secondary, or tertiary. So today we are going to work with a variable, gender. So we shall first tab our gender to see what it comprises of. And we can see we have 74.16 females and 25.84 males. So we want to present that information in the pie chart. Our command is going to be graph pi, comma, over into brackets. We shall put our variable we want to work with, which is gender. We shall close brackets, p label, then into brackets, we shall put an underscore. An underscore is a button between 0 and equal sign. So you press shift and then that button. And then you type oil percent, because we want our pie chart to have percentages in different portions. Then we enter. When we enter, our graph comes like that. And as you can see, you can compare it with the table, the percentages. You see we have the males at 25.84% and the females are 74.16%. So we can make a few edits on our graph. And if you want to make edits, you come to File, Start Graph Editor, and then you right click. We can change the color of the different portions of the pie chart. You can right click. When you right click in that portion you want to change color, you come to pie slice properties. So our current color is maroon. We can change it to pink and then we apply. We close. Then we can come to our navy blue. We assume we want another color. We right click in that portion and then we come to pie slice properties. So our color is navy blue. We're going to change it to purple. Then we apply. As you can see, when you change colors of your portions, even the legend, the colors change automatically. So we can also change how the legend is organized. We can right click on the legend, then we come to legend properties. When you come to legend properties, here I have rows or columns. We shall tap on rows and then apply. When you apply, you see the arrangement of the legend has changed. So we assume we are okay with our pie chart now. So you want to take it to the Word document. What do we do? You come here, there is a copy up here. So you tap on it. After tapping on it, you come to your Word document. Then you paste. Your graph will come right away in the Word document. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. That's what we have learned today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment where I want clarity or what you want to learn next. Bye-bye.